I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
Just going to get Pip's pushchair out.
Oh,
that's it. It's been a good buy that
locked.
from Amazon, hasn't it? We've had it 3 years now. Here she is, the little princess herself. All right, we're going to market.
I can't remember when we bought the pushchair.
I think it's 3 years ago because we had it when we were in Alania. It's funny that was a lady opposite just getting her dog's pushchair.
4 years ago, maybe.
No, but yeah, out. Look, the lady in the. Can you see the little dog pushchair there? They've got a lot of dogs actually.
Yeah.
I think about 3.
Got a few.
Yeah.
But we're off to the market today, aren't we?
We are. Street market.
It's a big street market. Well, I don't know. Is it big?
I don't know, Steve. Someone we met said to us, "Oh, you must go to the market here on Saturdays." So that's what we're doing. Yeah. Yeah.
So we are. Well, put the van up. It's a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah. Our neighbours waving from Spain. Oh, they've got a little dog as well. Yes. Oh, these were the people as well. Look at the satellite dish. They had a little dog in a pushchair as well.
So we would usually go just up that way to the Zenia Boulevard, but we've got some waste to get rid of today.
That's as far as she's going to walk now for the moment. Yeah.
It's very cold today.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah. It's a beautifully clear blue sky, but early on, when the sun's just getting up, it feels very cold in the wind, doesn't it?
But it was like that yesterday. But when we got to 1 o'clock, we walked up a little hill. It was only a little hill, but it did not make us sweat, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll just come out here onto the main road. We can't go across here. So we go up this way across the crossing.
Yeah. We might as well walk straight along the road or cut through the shopping centre. I don't know what you want to do.
Well, we go along the main road here.
Yeah.
As we get down to the next roundabout, which is only a little way from Cadona, which is just about there, then you've got the underground car park and the signs for all the shops and the restaurant. All the restaurants are up on the top level there.
Yes.
You've got all these. Don't get too excited when you see IKEA. It's not a huge IKEA store. It's a little ordering point. It's a small shop that has the online catalogue.
Yes. I think you can order and collect there, I think. I don't know. I always think you get a nice view sitting out, look.
Yeah.
Tapas and beers. On this inside, of course, there as well.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. You can tell people have come back from the market because they've all got little bags with them.
Ah.
And I think that's... Oh, there is the Chinese supermarket down here, isn't there? So it's not the only place to get...
It's not far from the car park.
No.
And this is the Chinese supermarket.
There's the pink, it's supposed to be a flamingo or...
Oh, yeah.
Because we are near Torrevieja.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have that pink flamingo lake, don't they?
Yes.
I think.
Anyone in there?
It's a massive store.
As usual, yeah.
almost everything you can
I
imagine.
might go in and have a look later.
Yeah, we'll probably go in
Have a
there
little poke around.
because they do a lot of camping
Stuff. Yes.
stuff.
We want to get a little mat for outside.
Yeah,
the
we'll get
van.
outside,
Yeah.
an outside mat for when we're on gravelly or sandy.
Yeah. Not when
airs
we're on
or
site,
campsite.
though, where you can use it. Not.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not here, not
No.
because you
Can't do anything.
well
like
you
that.
need to pin it down so it doesn't blow away. And you can't do that here on the concrete because it's a car park and there's
Yes, that's right.
you know. Well, we've arrived at the market. There's a churros stand just round the corner there. We've just passed, and as we come to the market, let's go. There's a lot of people.
Yes.
Goodies, cakes and stuff.
€1. Yes.
Yeah, so this is a market that happens every Saturday. We've got
That's very popular, those food
cakes
stalls.
and stuff over that way.
Pies, maybe they've got pies.
Pies.
I don't think they've got
all
pork.
sort-
They won't have pork pies and sausage rolls, I shouldn't think.
No. Olives, obviously,
Yes.
on that side. Maybe we'll just go up this side of the market
Yeah.
and look at these. We've got some lovely flowers. I've
Yeah,
seen
we
people
saw.
walking along the road, people with flowers.
Must be very popular, the flowers.
that's nice.
Yes.
Yeah, oh, lovely. These, I don't know what these are. Oh, we've got chickens. So, oh yeah, one whole cooked chicken is €12. Quite expensive, I think. Remember, a few years ago, when we were at Alania, I thought they were expensive at €6.50
Yes.
from the chicken stall at the end. But they're €12. That's gone up a lot, hasn't it?
More than doubled now.
And
Yes.
when we had the boat, I used to go to Waitrose and buy a whole cooked chicken for £6.50, so about €8. And I thought that was reasonable. But things so increase in price so much, haven't they?
Yeah. I made a mistake with the cauliflower. I thought it was $1.89, but it's a kilo, and it was very
189
expensive.
kilo,
Yes.
and it was
Yeah.
2.5 kilos.
Yeah, it was.
So,
I thought I was back in the UK.
Yeah.
And the same with broccoli. I made the mistake.
where they sell them
Yes.
per item. But
Yes.
over here, they sell them
Yeah.
by the kilo.
Yeah.
These are very nice. Stall holders running.
$1.20
keep
a
up,
kilo
yeah.
for onions.
Potatoes. Well, actually, yeah.
I would have thought
potatoes,
that would have
onions.
been cheaper because they're about 95p in England for onions.
Yeah.
Some
there's
things
a-
are cheaper, some aren't. It does depend.
Come on, Serrano. $12.90 a kilo. That's this stuff. Really nice. All the sausages. 4 for €10. That's very nice. And cheese. And then there's another chicken stall here. Yeah. Do your whole chicken for €12 too. Takeaway van selling tostadas, burgers and hot dogs. the fruit and veg stall. Seems to be fruit and veg
See,
stalls
they've got it
up.
on there. They put it down for English there, look.
Yeah. There you go. Melons. Ooh, Brussels sprouts. $1.50. Small packet of Brussels sprouts. We've got a bit more fruit here. Bananas, grapes, oranges, tomatoes, peppers, cauliflowers. Here's another meat stall with the hams. Oh, they've got cheeses as well. I think this market goes on for a very long way. Look at that.
Gosh, yes.
Yeah, that's you sort of can't see the end of it really. Somebody selling olives only. Wendy bought a whole big jar of olives the other day, very nice.
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Ah, the spices over that way. Olives, olive oil, eggs. That was €6.60 for 20 eggs. That's 33 pence an egg. Quite expensive. Last time I thought about price per egg, they were expensive at 25 pence. 23 pence, more or less, they were. And I thought that was quite expensive. They were 33 pence an egg.
That's a third chicken stall.
Yeah.
There's 10 there. Oh no, 11. Is it? Oh, but €1 cheaper this time.
Yeah, €1 cheaper.
Oh, there's some pretty china here.
Yeah. So all the food seems to be on one side over that way, and then there's other things. Wendy's looking at maybe these mugs.
They're handmade in Spain.
They're very nice, aren't they?
Yeah, 2 for €15 there.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Oh, that's a €10, the
Oh.
big one. Yeah. Nice, aren't they?
Yeah. Lovely.
Bowls. Oh, look at that. Isn't that
bowls.
lovely?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh, you can get it smaller with the fish in it.
Oh,
I wonder why it's ridged like that inside. Can you see?
scales. The things in the bottom of the bowl, like this, apparently it's a garlic grater.
Oh, but they've all got them. The olives one have got them.
Yeah,
It's
that's what I mean. It's
scale. Oh, it scales. I don't know what it's for though. Why would you have that in the bottom
It's
of
a
a bowl?
design element, I think.
No, but it must be for a reason. They've not all got them like this doesn't. Those ones don't. I do love the fish ones.
The little.
Olive dishes. You've got a wooden one. Where did you get it from?
I bought that from Arundel Market,
Oh yes, you did. That's right. Yeah. We did have a china one from,
Portugal.
but that got broken. Oh, look at those. They're sweet, aren't they?
Oh yeah. Once upon a time, Wendy used to collect egg cups
Yes, I did.
and salt and pepper things.
Yeah, yes.
This you'd buy all of those,
Yeah.
wouldn't you?
Now we don't own them at all.
No.
It's €13 that fish bowl.
Oh, a typical Saturday market.
What are those big
And,
things? Is that sweets in there? Look.
That's
Can
yeah.
you see those hanging up? Oh, is it like toys? Is it for children? A lucky bag?
yeah.
I think it is. Oh yes.
I think they might be.
Lucky
They're not.
Yeah.
They're not quite piñatas, are they?
No.
the things that you whack with a stick
Yeah.
to break them.
Yes.
I don't know whether one of those seasons is coming up.
I used to
Things
like to
over
buy
here.
those
They're full of
lucky
sweets.
bags when I was a kid, and
They're
I used to like those lucky bags when I was a kid.
Oh,
You open
yeah.
them, you get a little tie and some sweets. But I'm just wondering
Yeah.
if that's what they are. Yeah, there's a lot in
They
them.
are sweets and bits and pieces, yeah. So,
Used to like them. Oh, scarves there. Look.
anyway, we're gonna wander up the market and see if we can buy one or two bits.
Yeah,
I
oh,
don't
look,
know
they've
whether
got
we'll need
cauliflowers
to.
there. I do love a cauliflower. Yes,
But,
we'll have a look and see what we're going to get.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then if there's anything interesting, that'll be coming up. But that's it for this video. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye for now.